Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to set and the get items from the local storage in JavaScript. So first of all, we have to set that items in the local storage. So we have already worked on that we have to use this one. This is clear. This is that one. So you can see that object name, John and age. And for the setting that item in the local storage, always use local storage dot set item. Here we have to mention the key, okay? And JSON.stringify dot here I will set that like you can say that passwords. Key is password, right? And let's JSON.parse value. If you want to get that item, then you have to use the JSON.parse to get that item key. Okay, my passwords, and here I will just let log console.log. So this value I want to retrieve. Okay, so let's have a look on that one. Okay, so enter this one, redeclaration of the object. Let me reload this again. Enter this one. Okay, enter. So you can see that first I have set that item. Okay, if I go to the local storage where it is storage, then we have a local storage, right? Google local storage. So here we have the password, that is name and the John 30. And if I'm going to retrieve that one with the method let value JSON.parse local storage dot get item password, you can see that the object is printed. And if I want to retrieve any of that I can use value. So I need to just delete this one and just open this one. I think again they will read declaration of the object. So I can just use this one, removing this one. Okay, let value local storage get item password. And so here I want to get retrieve any of the values over here like name. Okay, so how I can get this value dot name. Okay, so let's enter this one. You can see that John. If you want to get the age, you can also get the age also. So here I can just add age. Okay, okay, redeclaration. Let me reload again. So I will add the age. You can see that 30. So this is how we are able to set the values in the local storage and retrieve that values from the local storage. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.